Hello everyone, my name is Brian. I'm from USCCE Customer Service. Now, let's go to set your alarm sound. Press the alarm sound button. The alarm sound options will flash and the alarm sound will ring. Then, press the alarm sound button repeatedly to choose your alarm sound among the 5 different alarm sound options. For example, choose the alarm sound 3. Then press any button on the back. Accept alarm sound button to confirm and exit the alarm sound setting. Now your alarm sound is set. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.